Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn the famous Italian word to say please, you're welcome, and apparently it's also the name of a sauce brand. This is pronounced PREGO. 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 Alright, so let's examine it. We have a rolled R, an open E in the middle. That's where the stress goes. And then it finishes with go. So, pre, go. Don't exaggerate the rolling, by the way. Don't say prego. Just a single rolling. Prego, prego. Now, we were saying that this means please. So we do say it in a lot of situations where you want to tell someone, for instance, to come in, to have a seat. You can say prego, prego. And you let them in or you let them have a seat. It's also used as a way to say you're welcome. So if someone says grazie, so they're saying thank you, you can say prego, prego. And the reason why it has so many different applications, it's because literally it means I pray. So think about it this way. Not only can be used to mean like you're praying, meaning like you're praying to God, but it kind of functions in a way like when in English, in literary situations, you hear people say, pray, tell me. That is the way we use it. And it's just that in Italian, it's not only used in extremely formal or literary situations, but it's just the way normally Italians use it to say you're welcome. So, grazie, prego. It's the standard way. It's not the only way, but it's the standard way. Thank you. What do you say back? Exactly. Prego. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.